In this section, we will introduce the parking lot cases. The software installation package comes with 4 typical parking lot cases, mainly divided into 3 types: surface parking lots, underground parking lots, and highway service area parking lots. We will cover them one by one. The first one is the surface parking lot case, which is a surface parking lot in Nanchang, China. It has one entrance and 2 exits, and accommodates both cars and coaches. This case is used to simulate the parking allocation scheme for different vehicle types in surface parking lots. We use toll stations to simulate the entrances and exits of the parking lot here. The next one is the underground parking lot case, a large-scale underground parking lot in Shanghai, China. It is divided into 3 parking zones, and is used to simulate the parking allocation and guidance scheme for vehicles in parking lots near arterial roads. In addition, the underground parking lot is equipped with entrances and exits connecting to the ground level, which are currently simulated by the start and end points of road segments. The third type is the highway service area parking lot, a parking lot at a German highway service area. This case simulates the entire process of vehicles driving on the highway, diverting to the service area, finding parking spaces, and then re-entering the highway. The last case is also an underground parking lot case, which has a single parking zone and represents one floor of a multi-story parking garage. The connections to the upper and lower parking floors are simulated by the start and end points of road segments, and this case mainly simulates the parking allocation for vehicles on this specific floor.